Hello, dear students. I am Sampada Sawant, Assistant Professor of Philosophy. In this video, we shall cover Unit 1 Basic Logical Concepts of your paper Logic. The topic that we will cover is the difference between propositions and sentences. Propositions, first of all, is something that we will use throughout our logic. Sentences is not what we use in logic. This is the first very important difference between propositions and sentences. Logic deals with propositions and not sentences. So, what are propositions? Propositions is nothing but a kind of statement. You have to first of all understand the difference between statement and sentence. We will see. A statement is something which is assertive. So proposition being a sentence is an assertive statement. Assertive is it will state some fact. It will say whether it is there or not. So it's a factual statement. It will deal with right and wrong. It will deal with true or false. Okay, it is there, like you cannot argue with it. So if I say 2020 is a year when the world is facing COVID 19, then this is a fact. It is a proposition. It is for true. It is a declarative statement. A declarative statement means it declares a fact. So when I said COVID 19 is a situation the world is facing in the year 2020, then I am declaring a fact. I am saying something that it is the case. It is informative, right? So when I said again, COVID-19 is something that the world is facing in the year 2020, I'm giving certain information, some useful information that you can deal with. So a proposition is something which is always true or false. So if I ask you, in the year 2020, is the world dealing with COVID-19? You will say true, or you will say right, you will say correct. So proposition is something with which you cannot argue. No, the world is not facing COVID-19. I'm not telling you something. I am stating a fact. So logic deals with these propositions. Logic deals with these statements which are useful, which are informative. It is either true or false. For example, here, Belgium is a country in Europe. Obviously, Belgium is a country in Europe. This statement is true. Now, if I say Egypt is a country in Europe, this statement is false. Egypt is not in Europe. Okay, so these are propositions. It is either true or it is false. Let's come to what is a sentence. So you understood what is a statement. Statement in logic is called a proposition. But what is a sentence now? Sentence is something that you will use in your languages. Sentences you will not use in logic. You will use it in languages. So sentence is a sensible combination of words. Okay. It is not assertive. I'm not saying that this is the fact. So let's say when I say it is raining, it is a fact, no doubt, but the way I'm saying, I'm adding emotions, I'm adding certain feelings, I'm happy that it's raining. So the major difference again between statement or proposition and sentence is that the way it is said. Propositions are not said with feelings and interests and choices or emotions, whereas sentences are said with certain feelings. It includes questions, orders, exclamations. All these are kinds of sentences. They are neither true or false. So when I say sit down, if I ask you to sit down wherever you are, am I saying this is true or false? Am I asking the third person when I say sit down to you? Will the person say true? No, the person will not reply true. But when I ask him, COVID 19 is something the world is facing, the person will say true. So sit down, I'm not expecting a true or false answer. I'm not expecting any answer for that matter. So it is not assertive. That is what it means. It is not giving you any information. When I ask you, are you playing? The way I'm asking you, are you playing? I want to know something. I don't have any information. Same thing when you put it in proposition form, you may say this particular team is playing the match on this ground. This is information. This is a proposition. But when I say, are you playing? This is not a proposition. Hooray, we won the match. Hooray. You say this when you are excited? We won the match can be a fact, but I have to change the way it is said. So if I have to use the same sentence as a proposition, I will say, this particular team won the match. It is a fact. But the way I say, hooray, we won the match, it cannot be counted as a proposition. It remains a sentence. So sentence involves meanings and different ways in which it is interpreted. Sentences are used in languages. Sentences do not give you information. They are expressions of your feelings, your emotions, your choices, your preferences. And logic is not interested in your feelings and emotions. Thank you.